Hi, my name is Ming Chen. I'm EF's Chief Culture Officer. I've been at EF for 18 years, which sounds like a long time, but it's actually gone by really, really quickly. One of the main reasons I've stayed is I truly believe that what we do matters. I like to keep moving. Hong Kong makes you feel like doing more, being more. There's always something going on here.
Hi, my name is Rachel Pratt. I'm the publication manager here for the Asia region. Hong Kong is an amazing, dynamic city, and it has so much vibrancy and energy that you can't help but want to explore every nook and cranny.
My name is Casey, and I'm from Hong Kong. I was an EF student many years ago, and now I'm the regional sales manager for Asia.
My name is Mikael Nyström. EF Hong Kong is a very international office. I think it's a happy mix of local and foreign staff. In Swedish, there's an expression for people who are very on, and I think that's true about the people working for EF. People who never give up. And no matter if you're junior or senior, I think in EF, your voice always gets heard.
Well, our Hong Kong office is arguably the best EF office. The first thing people notice when they walk into the Hong Kong office is the view. It is really, really phenomenal.
We are crazy, we are fun, dynamic, positive. We don't have any manager room. You could literally be sitting next to the CEO.
And I've had such a pleasure to work with super talented people that constantly push me as a creative. You're always looking for the next best thing.
Hong Kong is definitely one of the easiest places to have a family. It is super easy for the kids to learn new languages. My children speak English, Dutch, and Chinese.
I like Hong Kong because it has a lot of quirky things. One of my favorite things on the weekends is going to the goldfish market. And I love just going there by myself, taking photos and getting lost in translation. Although I live downtown, I can go 20 minutes out. I'm in the jungle, I go hiking, and I can never get enough of this.
Hong Kong is electric. It's a city that takes in great people and supercharges them.
You have a city that never sleeps, and it's forever moving.